Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start lesson number 1, Friendship, the Essence of Life. So, let's proceed. Friendship Day is a day which is celebrated all over the world to focus on the value of friendship in life. People celebrate this special day in many different ways. Let's see how the children in this lesson celebrate Friendship Day. So, the children were very excited when they saw their teacher, Miss Nidhi, entering in the class and she was looking very cheerful. The children wished her excitedly. They were also very excited because they were knowing that Miss Nidhi is going to discuss about the life skill project. So when the children settled down, Miss Nidhi told the children the Friendship Day falls on first Sunday of August. Every year since Sunday was holiday, so they have decided to celebrate Friendship Day on the upcoming Monday. She told the student that the time they will celebrate the Friendship Day is a very special manner. So, for this purpose, Miss Nidhi asked some suggestion from the student so that they can decide in which manner they are going to celebrate the Friendship Day. Ruchi, one of the student of the class, suggested to tie friendship band to their friends and exchange cards. Kritin suggested to organize a class party. And then Rahman suggested that beside doing all these activities, we can also bring our favorite dishes that are specially prepared during festivals. And then we can share our food with everyone in the class. So every children and Miss Nidhi agreed with Rahman's suggestions. So students started the preparation of Friendship Day. Some students made handmade cards and some made friendship bands. They also discussed with their mother the dishes to be prepared for the class. So, when the bell rang for the lunch break on Monday, the day of celebration, the children took out their lunch boxes, cans, and packets of food. The students wished Happy Friendship Day to their ma'ams and they tied friendship bands on each other's hands and also they exchanged the cards. Jaspinder bought chole bhature and some halwa which was is usually prepared on Guru Purab. Rafiq brought sevaiya which is specially prepared on Idul Fitr. Madhumita brought rosagullas which is special dessert of West Bengal. Meanwhile, Christina took out a packet of cake for everybody. Reena bought a special sweet which her mother used to prepare during Mahavir Jayanti. Ritu laughed quietly and said that she has bought gujiyas for everyone which is generally prepared during Holi. And then Rahmar, who was quite so far, spoke loudly that he has bought biryani for everyone. Soon everybody shared each other lunch. Then only Madhumita suggested to share some of the food with those children who live near their school on the street and whose parents work on construction site. Miss Nidhi was very impressed with this idea and she said to herself that they are very special children and they will spread love all around. So, once the party was over, Miss Nidhi instructed the student to use the dustbin to throw the garbage. But she noticed the children already cleaned everything and there was no trash left on the floor. Then Christina said that, Ma'am, every year we will celebrate Friendship Day in this manner only. Miss Nidhi smiled and said, Sure, we will. She also asked the student to write two short paragraphs about what friendship means to everybody, and she also asked them to mention the name of the dishes prepared during different festivals celebrated that they were bought by the student. Miss Nidhi told the student that maybe you comes from different family, different religion, or maybe your mother tongues are different, but you can make true friends by sharing and caring. She also asked the student to keep some food aside for the poor children so that she can provide it in the afternoon. And then some students accompanied the teacher. So, this is a very beautiful story which not only taught about the sense of friendship but it also taught that sharing is caring. So, I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful story. So student, keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.